Welcome to our roundup of the best drones for aerial photography, cinematic videos, and exciting outdoor adventures. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly drone or a professional creator searching for advanced camera performance, we've selected top-rated drones that combine stability, smart features, and impressive flight capabilities. We'll break down each model's key specs, including camera quality, flight time, obstacle avoidance, transmission range, portability, and intelligent flight modes, helping you choose the perfect drone for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Let's take off and find the perfect drone for you. The first on the list is the Potensic AT2. The AT2 is an impressive budget-friendly drone that delivers solid 4K performance without breaking the bank. Featuring lightweight foldable design, 4K stabilized camera, and extended flight time, this drone is perfect for beginners and casual users. Its compact and lightweight body makes it easy to carry around, making it a great option for travel and outdoor adventures. Despite its affordability, the camera produces sharp and vibrant 4K footage supported by electronic image stabilization that helps reduce shakes and jitters. In terms of flight performance, the AT2 offers a stable and responsive experience. It includes GPS positioning for accurate hovering and smooth flight paths, which is especially helpful for beginners still learning drone controls. The extended battery life allows for longer sessions, giving users more time to explore and capture content without constantly recharging. Its control range is also impressive for its category, providing reliable connectivity for most everyday flying needs. The drone comes equipped with intelligent flight features such as follow mode, waypoint navigation, and gesture control, adding convenience and creativity to your flights. While it may not have advanced obstacle avoidance like premium drones, it still provides a safe and enjoyable flying experience when used carefully. Overall, the AT2 is an excellent entry-level 4K drone that balances affordability, performance, and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Next up is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone designed for creators who demand the highest level of image quality and versatility. With its triple camera system, Hasselblad main sensor, and 43-minute flight time, this drone stands out as a powerhouse for professional aerial photography. The main Hasselblad camera features a large 4/3 sensor that delivers stunning color accuracy and incredible dynamic range, making it perfect for cinematic shots and detailed landscapes. In addition, the dual telephoto cameras provide flexible focal lengths, allowing you to capture everything from wide-angle scenes to distant subjects without sacrificing quality. Performance-wise, the Mavic 3 Pro excels with smooth, stable flight thanks to advanced obstacle sensing and omnidirectional avoidance systems. It can detect obstacles in all directions, giving you confidence when flying in complex environments. The long battery life ensures extended shooting sessions without frequent interruptions, which is especially useful for professionals working on large projects. Its transmission system also provides a strong and reliable connection, ensuring clear live feeds even at longer distances. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Mavic 3 Pro remains user-friendly. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track and Master Shots make it easier for beginners to capture professional-looking footage. The foldable design improves portability, although it is slightly heavier than compact drones. Overall, this drone delivers unmatched image quality, versatility, and performance, making it a top choice for serious content creators who want the best in aerial imaging. Next, we have the DJI Mini 3. The Mini 3 is a compact yet powerful drone that offers an excellent balance between portability and performance. With ultra-lightweight build, 38-minute flight time, and true vertical shooting, it's designed for creators who want high-quality content on the go. Weighing under 249 grams, it falls into a category that often avoids stricter drone regulations in many regions, making it highly convenient for travel and quick flights. The camera on the Mini 3 delivers impressive 4K video with vibrant colors and good low-light performance. Its ability to shoot in vertical mode is a standout feature, especially for content creators focusing on social media platforms. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions, helping you achieve professional-looking shots with minimal effort. Flight performance is equally reliable, with strong wind resistance and precise hovering capabilities. The long battery life allows you to capture more footage in a single session, which is great for both beginners and experienced users. While it lacks some of the advanced obstacle avoidance features found in higher-end models, its intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes make it easy to operate and enjoyable to use. Overall, this drone offers an outstanding combination of convenience, image quality, and flight time, making it a top choice for travelers and casual content creators. At number 2, we have the Ruko U11 Mini 4K. The U11 Mini is a reliable and beginner-friendly drone that delivers solid performance for its price. With beginner-friendly controls, 4K UHD camera, and long battery life, it's designed for users who want a smooth introduction to aerial photography. The camera captures clear and detailed 4K footage, making it suitable for everyday shooting, travel videos, and social media content. One of the standout aspects of this drone is its ease of use. It features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, all of which helps simplify the flying experience for beginners. GPS-assisted flight ensures stable hovering and accurate return-to-home functionality, adding an extra layer of safety and confidence during flights. Its control range is also impressive for its category, providing reliable connectivity for most everyday flying needs. The drone comes equipped with intelligent flight features such as follow mode, waypoint navigation, and gesture control, adding convenience and creativity to your flights. While it may not compete with premium drones in terms of advanced features or camera quality, it delivers excellent value for its price range. Overall, the U11 Mini is a dependable and easy-to-use 4K drone that's perfect for beginners who want a balance of performance, affordability, and convenience. The last one on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is a top-tier compact drone that combines advanced technology with exceptional portability. Featuring omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, 4K HDR video, and Active Track 360, it offers one of the most complete flying experiences in its class. The camera delivers stunning 4K HDR footage with excellent detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for both casual users and professional creators. What sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its advanced safety and tracking capabilities. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing system allows the drone to navigate complex environments with ease, reducing the risk of collisions. Active Track 360 enables smooth and intelligent subject tracking from multiple angles, making it perfect for capturing dynamic shots without manual control. Flight performance is highly refined, with stable hovering, strong wind resistance, and extended battery life. The transmission system ensures a reliable connection with minimal latency, providing a clear live feed during flights. Despite its powerful features, the drone remains lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and deploy anytime. Overall, this drone delivers an outstanding combination of performance, safety, and portability, making it one of the best 4K drones available. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying and capturing amazing moments from above.